There are two types of games: finite games and infinite games. And the rules are very different to each other. In a finite game, you are playing to win. You either win or you lose. For an example, just think about a football game. There'll be players, there'll be a referee, there'll be a ground. Players are playing to win. End of 90 minutes, you know who is going to win and who is the winner and who is the loser. Right? So it is a finite game. There is an end. Winning or losing. But in an infinite game, there is no winning. Nobody is going to win. Because it is a continuous game. It's a continuous process. So how about building a business? Is it a finite game or an infinite game? A business. So let me ask you one question. Are you building a business to win? Yes or no? If it is yes, what does it mean by winning in a business? Earning $1 million? Or what? Or $1 billion? So you see, earning $1 million or $1 billion is not winning. Because once you made it, once you made $1 million or $1 billion, the business won't last. It will keep going. So every business is an infinite game. So in business, in order to become successful, you should always have an infinite thinking, a different way of long-term thinking. So let's talk about network marketing. Are you doing network marketing for you to make a lot of money and win in life, or to build a strong organization with the right culture, right ethics, right values that will grow your network sustainably even after your death? Ask yourself, what are you building? So basically, network marketing is an infinite game. It's never going to finish, right? It is a continuous process. So you should have an infinite mindset. So if you have an infinite mindset, you always think long term. You respect policies and procedures of the company. You are always honest and truthful. You do very ethical practices. You treat your people like your family. And you are very understandable. You cultivate relationships even with a negative prospect or even with a switched off distributor who will never bring sales into your organization. Why? Because you are thinking in a long term. You don't know when they are going to get positive and when they are going to bring results into your organization. You think long term. If you have infinite thinking, you have a lot of patience to build it for years and decades. But if you are having a finite mindset, in other words, you are looking for short-term success, you will give a lot of fake promises to a lot of people around you, and you will create a huge mess in your organization, and you will never achieve anything out from it. Why? Because this is an infinite business. How can you become successful in an infinite business, infinite game, when you have a finite mindset? It's impossible, right? And it makes sense, right? So network marketing is an infinite game. Change your thinking from finite thinking to infinite thinking. Think long term. Because this business is all about creating a legacy. This business is not about you making $1 million in 5 years, 6 years, or maybe 10 years. This business is about a continuous process, creating a continuous culture which will duplicate from generations to generations. So think in an infinite way. Thank you for listening to this audio. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe. And if you have any question, comment below.